Hi, I'm balloon artist Barak Dagan, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a balloon heart wand. In order to make a balloon heart wand, I'm gonna use 2 balloons, and I left about 4 fingers of uninflated balloon at the end. Now let's tie both balloons together. And now I'm going to make 2 loop twists out of each one of the balloons. One. The second one will be, of course, in the same size. Now I'm going to make 2 more loop twists out of the other balloon. And now let's make the last one. This is it. Now, let's take the 2 ends of the balloon and make this kind of shape. Of course, at the end of it, I'm gonna twist the 2 remainers together, make 2 pinch twists, one, and 2. If you don't know how to make a pinch twist, please watch a special video I've made about creating a pinch twist in a balloon. Now, I'm going to cut the excess. And then I'm going to tie the 2 ends together. Now let's take a heart-shaped balloon and a pump, and I'm going to inflate the heart-shaped balloon, and I'm going to twist it right in the middle here. And this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please check balloonartonline.com. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.